Hey everybody, today I'm going to be making ribs in the Instant Pot. First I'm going to season them with a dry rub mixture, and then I'm going to cook it in the Instant Pot with apple cider vinegar and some water, and then I'll put regular barbecue sauce on them and brown them in the oven. So here are the ribs I got in my grocery haul yesterday. This is not the price I paid. I price matched it and I got $13 off. So I only paid like $6 for a rack of ribs. So we're going to use that today. So I always look for things reduced. And I got this pork rub, that grill. I would never pay full price, but $2 for a rib. I find it's a nice rib rub. I also get rib rub at Bulk Barn and add it to here when this is out, because there's a nice little mixture, or you can make your own. So I'm putting that down, and then I'm taking Old Bay seasoning because I love Old Bay, and then I'm going to put garlic powder.